Alright, so here's how to fix this annoying clunky noise from the spoiler. For some reason, this leaf slams itself, so you don't even have to get it about halfway. It's so heavy. Get it about halfway, it like slams itself. So you don't need to slam this thing, but my wife does. So the spoiler comes loose. I had to tighten these bolts a couple months ago because they kind of worked loose. And it was still clunking, it just started clunking. So I just popped off this cover. Just pops off pretty easy. Just a couple of clips, and guess what I found? There's a bolt here with a nut. Oh, and it's loose. And there's studs here, no nut. And guess what I found? It was literally just laying in this plastic tray. So I think there's 2 nuts. I don't know, there may even be another in there, in the corners. I don't know, I haven't taken this off. So, mystery solved. But yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's at least 7 bolts holding that spoiler on. Maybe more. Let me tighten those up. Okay, I went ahead and checked. There's no more bolts. So there's only 7 bolts holding on the spoiler. So